guys, welcome back to my channel, The Spice Connection. Wishing all of you a very happy Valentine's Day. I'm here today to show you two lovely last-minute dessert recipes for your loved ones on this Valentine's Day. So without much waiting, let's get started. Chocolate fudge balls, we need condensed milk, cocoa powder, regular milk, some chopped walnuts, this is optional, vanilla essence, and ghee or clarified butter. I will not use all of this butter at the same time. I will use a little bit of it while making the fudge and then while rolling out the balls. In a wok, on low to medium flame, add in the condensed milk and keep stirring it continuously. To the condensed milk, add in all of the cocoa powder. Keep mixing it. To the mixture, pour in the milk. I will not pour all of it at the same time. I will keep pouring it as and when required. Give all of it a good mix. Once the condensed milk, cocoa powder and the milk has combined nicely and the mixture has started to turn thick, add in a little more milk. Give it a good mix nicely again. Scrape it from the sides and fold it to the center and mix it nicely. Add in the vanilla essence and give it a good mix. Giving the chocolate fudge the Indian touch, add in generous amount of ghee, as much as you want. I have added about 1.5 tablespoons of ghee and then mix it well. You can see the mixture has thickened nicely. We will add the rest of the milk now and give it a good stir again. You can see how tempting and shiny the fudge looks. Finally, add in the chopped walnuts. This is totally optional. Adding any kind of nuts will give that little crunch to the fudge balls. The chocolate fudge is now ready. I wanted to dive into it right away, but we'll roll out balls. So we'll let this mixture cool down a little bit, but not completely. The mixture has now cooled down a little bit. I will grease my palm with some ghee or clarified butter and make the fudge balls. The first chocolate fudge ball is ready. Also place this mixture in a greased baking tray and cool it completely or refrigerate it for about 1 hour and cut out small squares. So that would become chocolate fudge squares. Would you believe this is my pace when I'm making chocolate desserts? I have taken a piping bag with some melted white chocolates and I will decorate these fudge balls with that. This is completely optional. You can have it just like this. I wanted to give my dessert a beautiful look because I want to gift it to my loved ones. The chocolate fudge balls are now ready. I will add in some colorful sprinklers to make it a little more colorful and pretty. Making Nutella stuffed strawberries, we need some strawberries, Nutella, white chocolate, dark chocolate. You can use either of this. You can use either white chocolate or dark chocolate. These two will be used for coating the strawberries, so either of them are optional. You can use whichever color you want your strawberries to be. I will first scoop out the strawberries from the center with a sharp pointed knife like this. It would look like this. I'll scoop out all of the strawberries similarly. I have scooped out all the strawberries. Now take the Nutella out in a piping bag and stuff the strawberries like this. Take a plastic sheet or a parchment paper or a butter paper, whatever is available. Stick a toothpick on the green side of the strawberry and keep dipping it in either of the chocolate melt and spread it on the parchment paper. Let it cool down and then decorate it with the opposite color of chocolate and some sprinklers. If you have loved my recipe, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos coming up. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe. See you guys on my next video again.